Vice Chancellor said that by choice, I may be an agriculturist. By passion, I may be a politician. But by choice, I am an educationist. So I am pleased to note that Rajiv Gandhi University, which is one of the largest health science universities in the country, which has more than 1,400 affiliated colleges, nearly lakhs of students. ಭಾಳ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ. ನೀವು 30 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇಡೀ ನಂಬರ್ 1, 2, 3 ನಾನು ಅನೇಕ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಜಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಮೆರಿಕ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಂಬರ್ 1, 2, 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸು, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತಯಾರಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದರ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದರ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಶೆಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಳಗಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮದೊಂದು ಥೀಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನಶೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಭಾರತ, ನಶೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ನಶೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಆ ದಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶರಣ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್. Though he is a medical doctor, he himself, he wanted to give a great service to this field. So, ಅವರು ಶರಣ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ಡ್. I have not seen such a disciplined medical education in my last 30 years. He is doing a great job with discipline. A honest, dedicated doctor with his own profession, he is doing your job. ಯಾವ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ he loved this profession. He loved this department. He is serving. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 70 ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ಗೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ he has his own ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ he is giving a lot of time to shape this university. He is doing well. Now Dr. Bhagwan is here for the very long time. Our chancellor, our governor was very kind enough to approve his nomination. So he is also committed, and I am confident with his leadership and Sharan Prakash leadership under the guidance of our excellency, they will do well, they achieve well. See that the milestone will be with the greater heights. A great university is defined merely by not number of colleges or the students or the degrees. It is truly depends upon the quality of teachers that strengthen the research and ecosystem and the innovation what is being. So I call upon all the teachers today not merely to deliver lectures but to become mentor, designers, researchers and innovators as a role model for the future of this country. I am happy to know that the State of Art and Research Foundation, which will be in Bhimakuppe, I think at the time of Krishnaji, we gave about 50 acres of land that will be very created. I once again congratulate all of you. Next time we will try to meet at Ramnagar in the new campus. I hope we are doing our best. I wish you all the best. So once again, let me all congratulate you, especially all my new young students who had the degree today, who have a milestone. Your dreams have come true. You should remember 4 Ds in your life. You should dream, you should dedicate, you should discipline. That is what you have to think. So all the dreams should come true and you should make a big commitment. Once again, I would like to congratulate and thank all the members of the Rajiv Gandhi University who have been here, either the syndicate, senate, all of them. They all have to work together. See that don't harass the institution. Institutions have to grow up, including all the paramedicals or whatever may be. All have to grow together. Joining together is the beginning. Thinking together is progress. Working together is success. I hope all of you will work unitedly to see that this institution grows well. You all are proud. You should make a mark in your life. Karnataka government, I would like to assure the Vice Chancellor and the Chancellor that Karnataka government stand committed with the leadership of my minister, my colleague. Government is committed to help you whatever you want. You are not doing for yourself, you are doing for the society and keeping Karnataka and country proud. I thank you once again for participating in this great event. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you.